You're 5 hours late here. And
man, shut the fuck up.
Go to the main screen of your Roku. We go to settings. You want to go all the way down to system. You want to do a system restart. And then you want to confirm it. And I'm going to pause the video because this does take about 5 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and we'll see if it works. Alright, so it came back on, and also something else I might want to mention is, like I told you when I'm moving around the menu here, how it makes click noises, you know, even before. That should let you know right there, you know, that there's nothing wrong with your actual TV or your TV speakers. It has to do, you know, something within your device, in this case a Roku. So let's go ahead, I'm going to go into Hulu again. Fingers crossed, hopefully it works. This is what's been working for us. Either do that or you can do a factory reset. All the way back to factory settings, but that is a big old pain in the butt. There it is.
Let's go, nigga. Let's go.